Best rollerblades. Are you looking for the best rollerblades? In this video we will look at 5 of the best rollerblades on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Rollerblade RB80. The Rollerblade RB80 men's urban inline skate, black and red, is a durable and versatile skate designed for urban and recreational skating. It blends performance, comfort, and control, making it ideal for intermediate to advanced skaters seeking agility and support in city environments. The RB80 features a rigid molded shell that offers superior ankle support and long-term durability. This hard shell construction enhances responsiveness and protection, which is especially useful for navigating rough pavement or performing quick turns and stops. Ventilation holes help reduce heat buildup during longer sessions. The skates come with 80mm 85 wheels, which provide a good balance of speed, maneuverability, and shock absorption. These wheels are paired with SG7 bearings, allowing for smooth and fast rides with minimal effort. The aluminum frame is strong yet lightweight, offering efficient energy transfer and stability at higher speeds. Comfort is prioritized with a performance liner that includes anatomical padding and shock absorbers under the heel. A combination closure system featuring traditional laces, a power strap, and a locking cuff buckle ensures a secure and customizable fit. Designed for urban skating, commuting, or fitness routines, the RB80 is part of Rollerblade's RB series, known for reliability and ruggedness. Its black and red color scheme gives it a sleek, sporty look that matches its high-performance build. In summary, the Rollerblade RB80 men's urban inline skate is a top choice for skaters who want a dependable, responsive, and comfortable ride. Its supportive shell, quality wheels, strong frame, and snug fit make it well-suited for navigating urban landscapes or casual fitness skating. Whether you're weaving through traffic or cruising through parks, the RB80 delivers both style and function for a dynamic skating experience. Number 2. Rollerblade Zetrablade Inline Skates. The Rollerblade Zetrablade women's adult fitness inline skates are a top choice for beginner to intermediate skaters seeking comfort, support, and style. Designed with a sleek black and light blue color scheme, these skates are ideal for fitness-oriented users or casual skating sessions on paved paths and recreational trails. One of the Zetrablade's standout features is its high cuff design, which provides excellent ankle support and stability, especially helpful for those just getting started with inline skating. The skates come with a secure closure system, including a buckle, power strap, and lace combination, ensuring a snug and customizable fit. This combination helps lock the heel in place, reducing foot movement inside the boot and improving control. The monocoque composite frame lowers the center of gravity, enhancing balance and making the skates more maneuverable. Paired with 80mm wheels and SG5 bearings, the Zetrablade offers smooth and controlled rolling, with a moderate speed that's suitable for learning and fitness skating. The wheels strike a good balance between comfort and performance, absorbing minor bumps while maintaining stability. The boot features a soft, padded liner for all-day comfort, making these skates ideal for extended sessions. The breathable materials also help keep your feet cool during workouts. Additionally, the skates include a built-in brake on the right skate for safe and easy stopping, another great feature for beginners. Overall, the Rollerblade Zetrablade women's skates offer excellent value and quality. Their comfortable fit, supportive structure, and smooth ride make them a reliable choice for women looking to enjoy fitness skating or pick up inline skating as a new hobby. With trusted rollerblade craftsmanship behind them, these skates are a great entry point into the world of inline fitness. Number 3. Rollerblade Twister XT Inline Skates. The Rollerblade Twister XT women's adult fitness inline skate in black/mint is a high-performance urban inline skate designed for experienced and demanding skaters who prioritize precision, support, and durability. Engineered with a sleek, athletic profile and a reinforced molded shell, the Twister XT offers excellent stability and lateral support, making it ideal for navigating city streets, tight turns, and urban obstacles. One of its standout features is the modified shell design, which enhances comfort and fit while maintaining the durability needed for urban environments. The footboard sizer allows skaters to adjust the fit for better foot positioning, optimizing control and response. The premium performance liner includes a specialized cushioning system with added padding in the ankle and heel areas, improving comfort during long rides and absorbing road vibrations. Equipped with hydrogen 80mm wheels and ILQ9 Classic Plus bearings, the Twister XT delivers a smooth, fast, and controlled ride. The wheels are made from high-quality urethane for superior grip and wear resistance, making them suitable for rough or uneven pavement commonly found in city settings. The aluminum frame ensures strength and responsiveness, allowing for agile maneuvers and efficient energy transfer. Additional features include a secure dual buckle and lace closure system, ensuring a snug fit that prevents heel lift, and strategically placed vents for enhanced airflow and breathability. The stylish black and mint color scheme adds a modern touch to the performance-driven design. Overall, the Rollerblade Twister XT women's inline skate is a top-tier choice for fitness and urban skaters who want a blend of performance, style, and comfort. It excels in agility, control, and shock absorption, making it a reliable option for both daily commutes and intensive training sessions in challenging environments. Number 4. K2 Inline Skates. The K2 Grid 110 3-wheel inline skates are designed for adults seeking high-performance urban and fitness skating. These skates combine speed, comfort, and durability, making them ideal for city streets, fitness routines, or casual recreation. Their standout feature is the innovative 3-wheel setup, with large 110mm wheels that provide a smooth and fast ride, superior to traditional 4-wheel skates in terms of maneuverability and speed. Built with an emphasis on comfort, the Grid 110 features K2's signature soft boot technology, which uses a breathable, padded mesh liner to ensure a snug yet flexible fit. This technology reduces pressure points and improves airflow, keeping feet cooler during extended skating sessions. The skate's cuff and frame are designed to support ankle stability without sacrificing mobility, important for maintaining control during quick turns in urban navigation. The frame is made from lightweight aluminum, which balances strength and weight to enhance responsiveness and reduce fatigue. The durable wheels, paired with precision bearings, allow skaters to maintain high speeds while rolling smoothly over various pavement conditions. The 3-wheel configuration also improves agility, making these skates excellent for fitness enthusiasts who want to work out efficiently or urban skaters navigating tight city spaces. Additionally, the skates include an easy-to-use closure system combining traditional laces, a power strap, and a secure ratchet buckle, ensuring a locked-in fit for safety and performance. The overall design caters to both men and women, making it a versatile choice for anyone interested in urban inline skating or fitness skating. In summary, the K2 Grid 110 3-wheel inline skates offer a perfect blend of speed, comfort, and control for adult skaters, whether for fitness, commuting, or leisure in urban environments. Number 5. Rollerblade Lightning 110. The Rollerblade Lightning 110 is a high-performance urban inline skate designed for adult skaters seeking speed, control, and comfort in city environments. Its sleek white and black colorway offers a modern, stylish look that suits both men and women. Built with quality materials, this skate is engineered to provide a smooth and responsive ride for urban commuting, fitness skating, or casual recreational use. At the core of the Lightning 110 is a rigid, supportive boot that ensures excellent ankle stability without compromising flexibility. The boot features a combination of mesh and synthetic materials, promoting breathability and durability during long skating sessions. The anatomical fit and padded liners enhance comfort, reducing foot fatigue even after extended use. One of the standout features of this skate is the large 110mm wheels, which offer greater speed and efficiency on various pavement surfaces. Larger wheels roll over small obstacles easily and maintain momentum better than smaller wheels, making the Lightning 110 ideal for urban terrains like sidewalks, asphalt, and concrete. The wheels are paired with high-quality ABEX 7 bearings, which provide smooth rotation and help maximize glide. The skate frame is made of lightweight aluminum, delivering strength and stability while keeping the overall weight manageable for improved maneuverability. The secure closure system combines traditional laces with an adjustable buckle and a Velcro strap, ensuring a locked-in fit that prevents unwanted foot movement. Safety is also addressed with a reliable braking system, typically located on the right skate, allowing for controlled stops. Overall, the Rollerblade Lightning 110 offers a perfect blend of speed, comfort, and durability for skaters who want to enjoy urban inline skating with confidence and style.